troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.
Welcome or welcome back to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be trouble. Today, I be trouble with Melt. So I got the Melt mystery boxes. Last time I only got the $75 box because I was thinking, okay, well, you know, a $25 box, they're not going to give you a palette in that. I mean, it's $25. Their palettes are like $58. They're not giving me a palette. But then I saw that, like, Just Jessica, she got a palette in her $25 box, and Jen, I think Jen got a box too, where she got a palette. I was like, well, dang. So when I found out they were having more mystery boxes, I was like, hey, I'm gonna get both. So I went over the $25 box already, and now we are going to go over the $75 box. Now, this time around, the box was $4.20 friendly. Now, I don't smoke. I do take CBD, but I don't like the way THC makes me feel. It is legal in my state. I have siblings who do smoke, so I'm going to pass this along to my sister. And she will get some use out of it. So, the first thing is this. And like I said, I will not use it, but I have a sister who will. And she just had a birthday. So, and because her birthday is a couple days after Christmas, she never gets anything good for her birthday. So I feel bad. So, yay. She will have a good, alright, well, she'll have an alright birthday present. It's not like it's the best thing in the world, but you know, whatever. Alright, next out of the box, we have some eyeliners and lip liners. Let's see what we got going on here. We have, that is an eyeliner, and that is an eyeliner. Okay, so this one is in the shade RX Queen. And, okay. Okay, we like that. There's a shade right there. Those are from my other box that I got, so ignore that. So yeah, that is the shade RX Queen. And this one is in Baked. I think we have a theme going on over here. Alright. I think this is the one I broke earlier, opening up the box. Yeah. See, I broke the tip. Maybe we can melt that back on. Nope. Okay, well, we'll just take that part off. Alright, and there is the color right there. Alright. So far, so good. Alright, then we have lip liner, and this one is in Handcuff. Yeah, that's a lip liner. That is the shade. Okay. Alright. That is the shade of lip liner. Let's separate those. Alright, and this is in the shade Latex. Alright. Oh, right there. Latex. Alright, and it's a good thing that there's no actual latex in there because I'm allergic. Alright. Okay, so, alright. okay, so these aren't the same. The next thing I got is a ultra matte lipstick in the shades 710. And this is the reason that I thought I might have gotten. So this is the shade 710, and this is the shade Laced. So I saw it was a brownish hue, and I was like, oh no, did I get the same? But not the same. These smell so good. Alright, so Laced. Which is almost the same color as that eyeliner. Could probably use that as a lip liner for that. Alright. And then we have the wow, I can talk. Liquid Set Lipstick in the shade Taupe. Yes, that's what it says. Okay. Yeah, I don't think that these lipsticks are any good. They're very not lipstick-like. They look very oily, very separated, old. And they're not mixing. So I'm going to have to contact them about their liquid lips, because that is not a mixed liquid lip. Alright. So then we have Melt. Of course it's Melt. It's a Melt mystery box. Okay. Metal Bond Gel Eyeliner. And this one is in the shade OK Boomer. And it looks like this one was in the Millennial Pinks collection. Alright. I need to wipe that off my hand. It's gonna get on something and I'm gonna be irritated. Especially since I have one of my favorite shirts on. It says I can't adult today. I went to the doctor today. This little old lady in a wheelchair saw me come in the door. And she says, oh my gosh, I just love your shirt. Alright. So we have a blush light here in Fire Fury. I'm assuming it's a blush. I like that very much. And we are going to have lots of fun with that. I love a dark blush. Oh my gosh. Yes, 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 yes. We're very much in favor of that. Alright, then we have a blush light in Shadow Play. That is not a blush. This is a highlight. With a green shift. Which I kind of like. Not gonna lie. I don't think you're going to catch it with the light on. catch it with the, it's got a green blue tint to it. Alright, and last but not least in this $75 box is the reason I feel attacked. We got the Mary Jane palette. In my first box, I got the brunette palette. Melt, I want some colors. I know you're not listening to my video, but dang, man. The whole point of getting both boxes was so that I could get something with color in it. I figure if I didn't get color in one, I'd get it in the other. No, you gotta send me all neutral palettes. So I'm probably gonna sell this on my Mercari along with the brunette palette. Cheese and rice. Because I really don't. I don't know. This is cool tones, and I don't have a lot of cool tones. Still, I am not interested in these colors. I want greens and pinks and purples and even blues, man. Just something. But they keep sending me neutrals. It's not fair. Yes, I'm whining. I'm a whiner. Yep, pout. Okay, so that is the $75 box from Melt. Now, other than the fact that I am not a fan of neutrals so much as colors, doesn't make it a bad box. The boxes are great. I wish they had sent me with something with color, but they were well worth the money I spent on them. I'm gonna buy more of them. And if they keep sending me neutrals, I'm gonna call them up and be like, hey buddy, this is not happening again. Next time I order, you better send me some stinking greens. You got all these green palettes, you gonna send me a green? I'm gonna cry. But anyways, so yeah, definitely worth the money. I think that it's money well spent, especially with that $25 box. That's like, that $25 box was really good. So yeah, I will leave them linked below. I don't know if they're still in stock. You know what, I can actually check that right now. They're sold out of the $25 bundle, but they do still have the Stoner Mystery Stash. I do think that the Stoner Mystery Stash is worth the money. However, if you do not smoke, or you are not, you don't have somebody that you can give that stuff to, or you're offended by that stuff, it's not going to be for you. Okay. There we go. You go back over there, Mr. Phone. Okay. So, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. I'll have everything listed below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat.